Morning dear kids. Today I am taking your chapter sets, that is chapter 6a, exercise 6a. Let's start. Write the following sets in roster form. Roster form means you have to give the elements present in your set. For that, if you see the question number 1, you have to solve the equation and then decide the set. Question number 1 says A is a set of x which is such that 2x plus 3 is equal to 11. That means, my dear kids, you have to write A1 is a set of x such that 2x plus 3 is equal to 11. You have to solve this equation. 2x plus 3 is equal to 11. That is something like this. And you will get the value of x as 4. Once you got the value of x, you have to present it in roster form. That is, you have to put the elements into your set. So A1 will be equal to 4 will be the element present in this set. Clear? Okay, perfect. We'll do next. Similarly, we'll take our second one and it goes something like this. A2 is equal to x such that x square minus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. Again, my dear kids, you have to solve this equation and find the elements in your set. You have to solve x square minus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. How to solve such kind of equation? My dear kids, this is factorization by splitting middle term. How to split the middle term? If you have 5 your last term and here nothing means 1 is your first term, you have to multiply 5 into 1, that is 5. Now 5 in such a way you have to split your middle term कि अगर आप दो नंबर्स मल्टीप्लाई करें तो आपका आंसर 5 आए और अगर आप दो नंबर्स सब्ट्रैक्ट करें वही दो नंबर्स अगर आप सब्ट्रैक्ट करें तो you will get 4. So can I take 5 and 1? So it will be x square minus 5x plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 1. Got my point clear? From there, here it is not 4x, here it is x. So it will be something like this. My dear kids, you have to factorize. That is, you have to factorize by grouping. First two terms you have to put in one group. Take something common, that is x, and inside will be x minus 5. Here also nothing common means you have to take one common and inside will be x minus 5. So in that case you got two brackets, that is x minus 5 and x plus 1 is equal to 0. So you have to equate both the brackets with 0. X minus 5 is equal to 0 and x plus 1 is equal to 0. That is, x is equal to plus 5 and x is equal to minus 1. So which are the elements present into this? That is 5. In this set will be 5 and minus 1. Is that clear? Okay, let's see our next. Third is quite easy. It is a set of A3 is a set of integers. And it belongs to integers, x belongs to integers, and it is in between 4 and minus 3. Now if you notice here, it is written minus 3 here, something like this. So that means x is greater than equal to minus 3 and x is less than 4. So if you want to take the elements, which elements you will take, my dear kids? It is less than 4, मतलब 3 तक आपकी लिमिट है और वो शुरू हो रहा है minus 3 से. So minus 3 you will include because here the sign is x is greater than equal to minus 3. Be very sure you consider the sign equal to there. Less than equal to, greater than equal to. मतलब वो number include करना है. So your list will be minus 3. Then you have minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. You will limit your answer, your elements to 3 because here it is written x is less than 4. That means you will not reach to 4. 4 is not included in its elements list. Clear? We will jump on to fourth and it says A4 is a set of x such that x is 2-digit number and sum of digits of x is 7. Now what you will do, my dear kids, x is a 2-digit number whose addition is 7. So if I want to make a list, it will go something like this. 1 6 will make 7, 2 5 will make 7, 3 4 will make 7, 4 3 will make 7, 5 2 will make 7, 6 1 will make 7 and 7 0 will make 7. So you will notice that all the 2-digit numbers which I have taken, their addition will be 7. Yes, that's what is the requirement of your problem. So the elements will be 16, 25, 34, 43, 52, 61, 70. Is that clear? Okay, we'll jump on to fifth, and it says A5 is a set of x such that x is equal to 4n. N belongs to whole numbers and n is less than 4. Now n belongs to whole numbers. That means n can be 0, n can be 1, n can be 2 and n can be 3. I will not take 4 because n is less than 4, so 4 will not be included. Clear? Now what is x? X is 4n. That is 4 into 0, that will be 0. Then x is again 4n. Now 4 into 1, that is 4. Now x is 4n again, so 4 into 2 this time, so that will be 8. Again for x is 4n, so 4 into 3 this time, so that will be 12. So your elements will be 0, 4, 8, 12. Got my point clear? Perfect. Okay, let's jump on to 6, and it says A6 is a set of x such that x is equal to n upon n plus 2, and n is belonging to natural numbers and n is greater than 5. So if it is greater than 5, so can we take n as 6, n as 7 and n as 8? Because greater than 5 it will go to infinity, so I will not take all the values, but minimum 3 values you have to take. Okay, then you have to put these values into this equation. What is x? X is n upon n plus 2. So can I take 6 upon 6 plus 2? That will make 6 upon 8, and you can reduce it, that will be 3 upon 4. Now again x is n upon n plus 2. This time I'll take 7 upon 7 plus 2, that will make 7 upon 9. I cannot reduce it, I'll keep it as it is. Next I will take x is equal to n upon n plus 2. This time I'll take n as 8 and it will go 8 upon 8 plus 2, that is 8 upon 10. I can obviously reduce it to 4 upon 5. So you have seen which are the fractions here. 3 upon 4, 7 upon 9, 4 upon 5. So I will say that the elements of your A6 will be equal to 3 upon 4, 7 upon 9, 4 upon 5 and so on till infinity. Clear? Okay, let's jump on to next. And it goes, now you have to write the following sets in set builder, that is rule method form. What do you mean by this my dear kids? जो आपको numbers दिए गए हैं, आपने पहले केस में क्या किया कि आपको एक वर्ड इक्वेशन दिया हुआ था, वर्ड फॉर्म में दिया हुआ था, उसको आपने टेबुलर फॉर्म में किया, उसको आपके एलिमेंट्स फॉर्म में किया. नाउ दिस टाइम आई विल बी गिविंग यू एलिमेंट्स एंड यू हैव टू सेट इनटू योर सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म, दैट इज यू हैव टू गिव मी द इक्वेशन इट बिलोंग्स टू. शैल वी स्टार्ट? योर फर्स्ट इज B1 is equal to 6, 9, 12, 15. When you see such kind of numbers, what kind of equation you are getting in mind? Just one second. Yes. So what kind of equation are you getting in mind? So can we write it as, if I have, can I just consider 6? So if I multiply 3 into 1, so that will be 3. And if I add 3, so I'll get 6. And if I then do 3 into 2 plus 3, again I'll get 9. Am I correct? 3 into 3 plus 3, I'll get 12. And 3 into 4 plus 3, I'll get 15. So you notice that in the entire formula, this part 3 is constant. And this 3 is also constant. The only numbers which are changing are these natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. So can I write 3 into n plus 3 is the formula for this? Yes. So my dear kids, you got a formula 3n plus 3. So how you present it into your set builder form? That is, you have to write it B1 is equal to x such that x belongs to natural numbers. Can I put it natural? Because I have taken 1, 2, 3, 4. So, sorry, you cannot write like this. You have to write first the formula. You have made the formula x is equal to 3n plus 3 and n belongs to your natural number. You have taken the n value as 1, 2, 3, 4. That is, n is belonging to the natural number. So you have to present your set builder form of these elements as this. Clear? Shall we take second? Okay. Next we have 11, 13, 17, 19. My dear kids, if you notice these are the prime numbers between 11 and 20, 10 and 20. So can I write it that B12 is a set of x such that x is a prime number between 11 and 10 and 20. Will that work? Let's jump on to third, and it says B3 is given in the form of 1 upon 3, 3 upon 5, 5 upon 7, 7 upon 9 and so on. Now what kind of relation or equation you can find for this? If you see, if I put this 1, 3, 5, 7, these are the natural numbers and these are all odd numbers. So we can say that n belongs to all odd numbers. Yes. अब नीचे वाला नंबर अगर आप देखेंगे तो it is n plus 2 every time. If you notice that in your first fraction you saw 1 plus 2. In your second fraction you saw 3 plus 2. In your third fraction you saw that is 1 upon 3, that is 3 upon 5, and your third fraction 5 plus 2, that is 5 upon 7. So in this way you can make up your own formulas, and this formula will be n upon n plus 2. So how you will write it? You will write B3 is equal to x such that x is equal to n upon n plus 2 and n belongs to odd numbers. So that will be your set builder form. Clear? Next we have 8, 27, 64, 125, 216. If you notice, these are the cube of all the natural numbers. So can we write here as x such that x is n ka cube and n belongs to natural numbers, and yes, I have seen that it is greater than equal to 2 and it goes for this is 2 ka cube, this is 3 ka, this is 4, this is 5 and this is 6 ka cube. So you can write n belongs to natural number, you can write natural number greater than 1 less than 7. Will that work? Okay. Next we have our fifth says that you have the numbers minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. So x belongs to integers from minus 5 to minus 1. So you can write x belongs to integers. You present it by z. Yes, you can present it by z and x is less than, okay, you can put it equal to minus 5 and here also equal to minus 1. लेस देन इक्वल टू ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू, दोनों साइड पे मैंने इक्वल टू डाल दिया -5 से और -1 तक. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज B6. इट सेज -6 -3 0 3 6 on both the sides. If you notice, you have it goes till infinity, so there is no limitation. Okay, so what kind of thing you are noticing here is every time if I take 1 into 3, getting my point, so 2 into 3 6, so every time I am putting this as n, so the formula becomes 3n. Can I say x is equal to 3n and x belongs to integers? गेटिंग माई पॉइंट. इंटीजर्स इसलिए ताकि आप n की वैल्यू जो है x नहीं, यहाँ पे n बिलोंग्स टू इंटीजर्स, बिकॉज आप n की जो वैल्यू डाल रहे हो वो नेगेटिव में डाल सकते हो और पॉजिटिव में भी डाल सकते हो. मीन्स n यू कैन टेक इट एज 1 ऑल्सो एंड यू कैन टेक इट एज -1 ऑल्सो, एंड इफ यू आर मल्टीप्लाइंग विथ 3 you will get 3 here and -3 here, and both the values are required. So n can be integers. Don't write n belongs to whole numbers. Whole numbers लिखोगे तो you will get wrong answer. Clear? Next we have, now question 3 says that question 3 first it is 1 2 4 16 64 is equal to another set which is x such that x is a factor of 32. So my dear kids, first you have to get the factor of 32 और उसके बाद हम लोग डिसाइड करेंगे कि ये दोनों इक्वल है या नहीं है. लेकिन यहाँ से अगर पता करोगे तो ये 32 के जो फैक्टर्स हैं तो नेचुरली उनकी लिमिटेशन टिल 32 ही है. एंड हियर इफ़ यू नोटिस योर नंबर 64 इज गिवन टू यू. सो बिकॉज 64 इज नॉट अ फैक्टर ऑफ 32, सो हेंस दे आर बोथ नॉट इक्वल. सो यू कैन राइट इट, no, they are not equal because 64 is not the factor of 32. Second, if you notice, it is given that x is a factor, x is such that x is a factor of 27 and here it is not equal to 3 9 27 54. yes, perfect. अगर आप factor of 27 ले रहे हो तो उसमें जो भी आपके numbers आएंगे certainly आपका 54 नहीं आएगा. 54 cannot be a factor of 27. Getting my point clear? So you can write yes, true. So this is your true. Yes, this is no. Write the set of even factors of 124. Now 124 के factors कौन से होंगे? Let's see. 124 when it comes in table of 1 तो आपका दो factors यहाँ पे हो गया 1 and 124. 2 की table में 62 ज़ा so 2 and 62. 4 की table में 31 ज़ा तो 4 and 31. So now my dear kids you have to you have to present into your elements form, that is 2, 4, 62, 31. sorry it is set of even numbers, so only even numbers you have to take. अगर सब numbers लोगे तो उसमें आपका आएगा 1, 2, 4, 31, 62, 124 and out of these you have to only take the even factors. Even factors means you will go for 2, 4, 62 and 124. That will be your answer. Clear? Similarly, you have to write the set of odd factors of 72. First, find all the factors of 72 and take only odd one. Clear? Next, you have to write set of prime factors of 3, 2, 3, 4. Now, prime factors means you have to do the prime factorization like this and find the factors. So you got the factors as 2, 3, 7, 7, 11 and you have to just write them into the elements form. Getting my point clear? Next is 6, which says x square minus 7x plus 12 is equal to 3, 4. Now first you have to you have to solve this equation and you have to get whether your answer is 3, 4 or not. Let's solve this equation. As I have taught you that you have to split the middle term, and how you will split the middle term, my dear kids? This 12, when you are multiplying you should get 12 and when you are adding you should get 7. So which are the two numbers when you multiply you get 12 and when you add you get 7. So can we take 4 and 3? So in that way, if you notice 4 and 3 is given to you, so you can write yes, this is true. Clear, my dear kids? Your next is x square minus 5x minus 6, this equation. First you have to solve this equation by splitting the middle term. Now 6 के ऐसे factors जिनके subtraction से 5 आए, तो 6 के ऐसे factors जिनके subtraction से 5 आए, so I'll take 6 and 1. When you multiply you will get 6 and when you subtract you will get 5. But here, so my answer is 6 and 1, but here answer is given as 2 and 3. So you will say this is not true, so hence false. Clear, my dear kids? Okay, shall I pack up here? Will that work? If you still have any doubt, you can message me. God bless.